Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about networking strategies for legal job candidates. As the saying goes, a good lawyer knows the law and a great one knows the judge. Because who needs legal knowledge when you can just smooth your way into a job? Am I right? But we are not aspiring legal professionals because we've got the ultimate guide to networking strategies that will have you rubbing elbows with the most influential people in the legal profession in no time. Build a strong professional network, consider the following tips. Attending networking events. Attending industry events, conferences, and seminars can provide great opportunities to meet and connect with other professionals in your field. Plus, who doesn't love awkward small talks with strangers, right? Utilize social media. LinkedIn and other social media platforms can be powerful tools for networking and staying connected with contacts. Just make sure you spend hours scrolling and liking other people's posts instead of doing your actual work. Offer value. Building relationships is more than just asking for favors. Be willing to offer your own expertise or resources to others in your network, because nothing says professionalism like free legal advice. Follow up. After meeting new contacts, make sure you follow up with a quick email or LinkedIn message to stay on the top of the mind. But building professional network is not just about making connections. It is also important to maintain relationships with your network contacts. This can include regularly checking in with your contacts, sharing industry news and insights, and offering assistance when possible. Leveraging your social media for networking. Because who needs real life interactions when you have social media, right? Most powerful tool I can say is the almighty LinkedIn. If you're not on LinkedIn, do you even exist? This platform is a goldmine for making professional connections and building your personal brand. Firstly, you need to optimize your profile. Use a professional headshot, include relevant work experience and education, and use keywords relating to your desired field. Secondly, connect with an intention. Don't just connect with anyone and everyone. Join groups, because LinkedIn groups can be a great way to connect with like-minded professionals and stay up to date on legal news and industries and all the trends related to it. Now we'll talk about how to make the most of these networking events. Let us go through the type of networking events for legal job candidates. So you can have the pleasure of attending various types of networking events, such as firstly bar association events. It's like a party but with lawyers. So members of the local or state bar associations gather to talk, shop, and share insights. Job fairs. Where else can you spend a whole day handing out your resume and making small talks with recruiters from multiple organizations? Fun times. Industry conferences. Attendees can network with professionals in their field and sit through educational sessions on industry trends and innovations. Because what's more exciting than sitting in a conference room all day, right? To make the most out of these thrilling events, here are some tips. Firstly, research the attendees. Don't stop, but yes, research. Then practice your elevator pitch. Get ready to introduce yourself and your professional background in a concise and compelling manner. And bring your business cards, because nothing seems more professional like a stack of business cards with your name and contact information. Now on to the fun part, networking strategies. Follow these steps to make most of your time at these exciting events. Be approachable. Smile, make an eye contact, and start conversation with other attendees to establish a rapport. Then ask thoughtful questions. Show interest in your attendees by asking thoughtful questions about their background and experiences. Just don't ask anything too personal like their social security number. And importantly, follow up. After the event, follow up with your contact via email or LinkedIn to stay in touch and solidify the relationship. Because who doesn't love receiving a follow-up email from a stranger they just met, right? Also, only mentioning, the art of following up is not stalking. We swear, it is not stalking. So don't worry, follow-up doesn't have to be awkward and uncomfortable. In fact, with these tips and tricks, you'll be able to follow up like a pro in no time. From personalized emails to social media engagement, we'll show you the best ways to make a lasting impression. Firstly, personalize your follow-up. Do not send a generic follow-up, please. Then, don't be too aggressive. While following up is important, there's a fine line between persistence and annoyance. So don't bombard your contact with constant emails or phone calls. Respect their time and space and be patient. And nextly, use social media to your advantage. Social media can be a powerful tool for following up and maintaining relationships. So connect with your contact on LinkedIn, Twitter, or any other platforms and engage with their content. Now we will talk about the art of maintaining relationships. Follow up is just a beginning. To truly reap the benefits of networking, you need to maintain those relationships over time. But how would you do that without coming across as needy or pushy? We've got you covered. Stay in touch with them regularly. Don't wait until they need something from you to reach out. Offer value. Networking is a two-way street. If you want something, you need to give them something. Keep the conversation going. Don't let the conversation die out. Find ways to keep the conversation going, whether it is through regular check-ins or inviting your contacts to events and meetings. Remember to bring your business cards, practice your elevator pitch, and always have a witty joke on hand. And most importantly, don't forget to follow up with your contacts and keep the connection strong. Who knows, maybe one day you will be sipping champagne at a law firm party surrounded by high-profile attorneys and judges, all because of that one handshake and exchange of business cards. Happy networking! For more such content, don't forget to visit our website yourlegalcareercoach.com and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.